Now people me come across a video and honestly me not really have much to say about it, but me just feel like I need to see it. Now it might have been a video that was done quite a while back based on something where she said in the video about Shensi her mother, God rest her soul. But me could take a listen to it and then you tell me how you feel about the things that this young lady is saying right here. So alright, come we take a listen.
Now I will be exposing the ones from Jamaica, and a lot of people don't know this, but Shansia has actually sacrificed her mother. That's the reason why. Those of you who keep saying she didn't, and it is not real, the Lord is saying you need to stop and open up your eyes and see what is going on in the world today. They have all signed contract with the devil, glory be to God, and they have made their decision, glory be to God. For those of you who do not know, Shaggy is a witch. Shaggy is a witch and has been practicing black magic for a very long time. Sacrifice friends and family. He is no different. Popcorn is a part of the occult and has sacrificed his friends to gain the popularity. Sean Paul is into sorcery. These are the type of people that you have been listening to. The Lord is saying you need to wash your hands because they are not what you think. These people are nothing but dark and demonic and will kill anyone in their family line to get the success that they have. The Lord is saying they keep calling themselves blessed. The Lord is saying to you today, I did not bless them. None of my blessing came to these people. They gain the success they have because they signed contract with the devil in the realm of the spirit to gain their popularity, and they're going to perish. And the Lord is saying to you today that if you don't wash your hands of these people, you will burn with them. Glory be to God. The Lord is saying to you today, you know the wisdom and knowledge today of who these people are. And that is not even the portion. There are so many more that has been doing these things. But I hope you receive this prophetic message today and wash your hands of these people, because they're nothing but dark and demonic. Glory be to God.
No, family, I don't know. That's why I'm telling you in the beginning, me not really have much to say about it. Because honestly, I don't know much about these things, you know, whether who are witch and who are part of a cult or whatever. But I would have loved if Uno talk to me down below in the comment section, because honestly, I would really want to hear your opinion upon it. You understand? Now, I heard the rumors when Shensi's mother passed, and me never really believe in them thing there, cause I personally no feel like somebody would have really do that to them own mother. Still, me not buy into it. You understand? Me know no founder go say boy unstoppable, wake up you too fool and all of that. You know them thing they go on. And even if it does probably true, but me just still not buy into the whole Shensi sacrifice her mother thing. Sorry, no. See, but mother will love to hear your opinion down in the comment section to pan that, because this thing you seem to be serious. She call up a whole heap of name, you understand? And as me say, me not have nothing much to say about it. See? But she say, if you know, wash your hands off of these people who wanna follow up and buy them products and sing them music and this and that, you know, go burn. That's what she say, not me. Talk to me down below in the comment section, because you know me always say, your opinion matters. Me gone.
Whoa, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.